This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages. We are at Dreams Rose Hall, which up until last week was Hilton Rose Hall. We are in a corner unit, which goes out to the pool and buffet and food. Our room is a oceanfront walkout. And again, we're on the corner, so we only have people to our left, nobody on our right. When you come in, this is our hall. We have closet. And considering Dreams took this over last week, I mean, literally, like, I don't even think it's been a full week. Everything could change. All of this decor, it could be remodeled later. We honestly don't know. But this is what it looks like as of today. So yeah, this is what it is as of today. And I'm not sure if they'll end up doing any updates, any remodeling. It could just be new furnishings. They may not do much of anything. We do not know because it is such a new change. But I figured I would still go ahead and take a video. That way anybody who might be wondering right now, this is what it looks like. Today is June 16th, 2025, for reference. So we do have shelf and a couple of plugs right there. Just some drawers, and then we have the little fridge with the inclusions, because this is all inclusive. I found it interesting they have Presidente, which is a Dominican beer. They did not have Red Stripe in there. Red Stripe's the Jamaican beer. Fantastic view though. The view cannot be beat. You do have a lock, which you definitely want to keep it locked when you're not in the room. Since it is ground floor, you always want to keep ground floor locked so nobody can come in. It has been sprinkling, but fantastic view. So if you look, this is what separates it. So it's not completely private. You can see through there. And then the pool is just right there. That is it. Dreams Rose Hall, formerly Hilton Rose Hall, and an oceanfront walkout.